Iron skillet for pie, you ask? Yes. Once you try it, you will be asking why you haven't been baking desserts like this more often. A word about apples. The Granny Smith and Golden Delicious apples are apple pie favorites because they maintain their shape through the long baking process. The tartness of the Granny Smith and the sweeter taste of the Golden Delicious join together to give this apple pie a nectarous depth of flavor. Homemade pie crusts are always an option, but this easy apple pie recipe calls for refrigerated or frozen pie crusts. Once you've baked your bottom pie crust and tossed your choice of apples with sugar, cornstarch, and cinnamon, pile the apples into the cast iron skillet on top of your buttery brown sugar crust. Blanket the apple filling with your top crust. The best apple pie brings a sweet tart flavor to the dessert table. Brush with egg white and lightly sprinkle with sugar. Slide your cast iron skillet into the oven for an hour and enjoy the apple pie smell wafting from your kitchen. When your easy skillet apple pie is baked, your dessert-hungry dinner guests are going to swoon. And so will you.